Hello everyone. I'm going to continue talking about polymorphism here, and my previous example was about polymorphism using inheritance, meaning cat and wolf were the subclasses of animal, were extending animal, and the polymorphism was calling the eat method, and actually it was calling the corresponding method from each of the subclasses as needed or parent class. And I'm going to piggyback on this example. I created for future purposes another class, dog, and made a slightly different printing statement, dog eats meat, but the eat is still overriding eat from animals. And it's time to talk about another kind of polymorphism, polymorphism via interface. So we are going to create a new interface, Java class interface, and the name will be pet. So some of the animals are pets, and the pet will have a function play. Public void play. So this is the only function, the only method in this interface. Now some of the cat and dog will be implementing our interface pet. So implements pet. And immediately it asks me to implement methods, implement play. So I need to implement play, and I'll say just that cat plays indoors and as opposite to the dog, extends animals and implements pet. Alright, and again, implement methods. Yes, I have to implement this method, and I'll just copy it from here. So system out println dog goes on walks. Oops, wrong place. I'm sorry. Dog goes on walks. So now we implemented play method for dogs and for cats. And this method is a part of the interface, pretty much everything in the interface pet. So how do we use it now for polymorphic referencing? So now I have another list. I'm going to add some of the same animals there, so bear with me for a moment. Array list of pet. Specifically, new array list, and I'm going to say it's list 1, and I can add cat to it. I cannot add to list 1. I'm actually adding to list 1. I cannot add wolf to list 1, and I cannot add animals to list 1. That is because the wolf and animals don't implement pet. So we are going to comment this out. Oops, accidentally I deleted, so Ctrl+/, and maybe one more comment here. Cannot add this. But what we can add, let me actually go ahead and add it. We are going to add a dog. So there is going to be a list1.dog add.dog add new dog. Capital D is needed. Okay, so we added them, and very much like we did before, except for instead of animals, we are going to iterate through pets. For animal, for pet, animal on list1, animal dot play. So this is polymorphism. Actually, I might go ahead and put this in one line. Oh, oops. List1 and dog and animal.play. Alright, so there we go. We have polymorphism by an interface. Let's see that it works. So cat plays on doors. So .play called the appropriate method from the cat class. And dog goes on walks, even though the variable that was referencing, named animal, was now in from the pet class.